Let's roll. Get a pair of roller skates that is worth the price and quality. Protect yourself against any injuries by wearing the appropriate protective gears. Skate in safe, non busy streets. You should know how to use your brakes. Bear in mind to still pay attention to your surroundings. Let's roll and have fun. Roller skating can be a fun leisure activity, form of exercise, a competitive sport, or mode of transportation. Once you learn the proper stance and how to glide and stop, you will be sailing around the rink in no time. First of all, put on your skating equipment like your helmet, your knee pads, and your wrist guards to protect yourself. As everyone takes a few spills at first, so wearing helmet and knee pads, wrist guards will protect you from injuries. Assume the right posture, place your feet shoulder width apart, bend your knees and squat. Lower your backside toward the ground and lean slightly forward in a comfortable squatting position. With your heels together and your toes pointed out, begin slowly walking forward, first right and then left. Continue squatting and keep your heels directly underneath your body so you can more easily keep your balance. As you gain confidence, start moving more quickly and taking longer strides. Push harder on the wheels so that you roll further with each stride. Take the squatting position and try to move forward. Take the squatting position, left leg in front and right at back. Slowly lengthen each stride you take by allowing yourself to roll for a while. Push off with one foot and glide with the other until you lose momentum. Then switch your gliding foot. While you are gliding on one foot, keep the other one above the floor so that it does not impede your gliding. Practice turning right and left while gliding. When you turn right, lean your body slightly to the right, and when you turn left, lean your body slightly to the left, always remaining in squatting position like this. Move your legs faster and gain momentum by putting pressure on the wheels and propelling yourself forward. Practice using your body weight to help you gain speed by leaning into strides. Use your arms to help you keep your balance and gain speed by bending them at the elbows and moving them back and forth the way you would if you were running. Like this. Look at the video carefully. See the movements of hands, legs, body in squatting position, lean forward. Practice makes perfect. After a long time of practicing, our walk will become natural, skillful, swift, and steady. So, when you get to practice against the best, it brings the best out of you. Practice daily because the quality of your practice determines the caliber of your performance. Practice makes progress. The more you sweat in practice, the less you bleed in battle. Do it again, play it again, sing it again, read it again, write it again, sketch it again, rehearse it again, run it again, try it again. Because again is practice and practice is improvement. Keep practicing until you are comfortable doing turns and coming to a stop while constantly keeping your balance. Remember to keep your body centered over your heels and remain in a squatting position always. Lower your backside toward the ground and lean slightly forward in comfortable squatting position. Thank you.